Your free video editing masterclass course, worth it for these 3 reasons. CapCut plus ChatGPT AI. Struggling with video editing? Spending hours on complicated software? This free masterclass might just change everything. Here are 3 reasons why this video editing masterclass using CapCut plus ChatGPT AI is 100% worth it, especially if you're a content creator or marketer. Reason 1. Simplicity plus power. CapCut makes professional editing incredibly easy. Drag, drop, trim, and edit in minutes. Whether it's transitions, auto captions, or background removal, it's beginner-friendly and powerful. Reason 2. AI-powered creativity with ChatGPT. From generating video scripts to creative prompts and even thumbnail copy, ChatGPT turbocharges your workflow. Plus, discover other amazing AI tools like Caber, Pika Labs, and Leonardo.ai. Reason 3. Free resources and practical learning. You'll get hands-on with real editing tasks, access free video and audio libraries, and walk away with practical, publish-ready skills, even if you've never edited before. It's completely free, no prior experience required, and you'll finish with content you're proud of. Don't wait. Start editing smarter, not harder. Take action now. Click the link, enroll now, and take your content to the next level. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Check other online courses which can help you change your future.